Back to East Africa, where Uganda's central bank says it will keep the country's currency, that's the Ugandan shilling, stable. The comments come after the World Bank announced it would halt future lending to the country in response to a law targeting the LGBTQ plus community with a range of penalties, including death. Earlier this week, Uganda's central bank cut the policy rate for the first time in over 2 years. Here's Leon Sanyange with the details from Kampala.
Honourable members.
The World Bank's decision to suspend future lending to Uganda because of the country's anti-LGBTQI+ legislation sent the shilling plummeting. There are fears that there could be worse to come for the financial sector.
You have our banking sector also getting shaky because their non-performing loan portfolio is going to increase.
The shilling fell to about 3% against the dollar after the World Bank announcement this month. Uganda's central bank, however, says it will do what is in its means to keep the shilling stable.
We'll do whatever it takes to stabilize the exchange rate. And by stabilizing the exchange rate, I don't mean that we are going to lower it or that we are going to strengthen it. Whatever the fundamentals will dictate that it will be, we will maintain it around there.
A cautious approach at a time when the country's economy is on a recovery path. For the first time in more than 2 years, the central bank announced a cut in its lending rate to 9.5% from 10%. The country has also realized a sharp fall in inflation to 3.9% in July 2023 from 10.4% at the beginning of the year.
The decline in inflation was due to tighter monetary and fiscal policies, strengthening of the Ugandan shilling exchange rate, lower energy and food prices, improved global supply chains, and reduced domestic demand.
According to the central bank, Uganda's economy has fared better than many African countries despite existing tight global financial conditions. The Uganda government says it will continue to engage the World Bank over its decision. Nonetheless, the central bank has offered its assurances that Uganda's economic outlook appears prospective and it is expected to grow between 5 to 6% in the current fiscal year. Leon Sanyange, CGTN, Kampala, Uganda.